has been up there for, what, 84 years or something? Pretty hard. Hey, I tell you, there's so much going on this job on so many different levels. There's work being done inside, and we're doing a lot of tear out, probably more tear out over the last few weeks than we've done anything else. But now the new stuff's about to happen. The framework on all of the additions are about to start coming together, and that's where you can see a heck of a lot of progress. The first order of business is creating the wood floor system on top of the block foundation walls. All that concrete work we've done so far won't matter at all if we don't get this part right. Every cut and every joint has to be just right here if we're going to have a sturdy, smooth, level floor that won't squeak.
That's no better.
It gets even trickier when we start tying all of this into the existing house because we have to have a flawless transition between the old and the new. When it's all laid out like this, it's pretty impressive. The 3/4 inch tongue and groove decking goes down next. Heavy-duty construction adhesive and hundreds of nails ensure that this floor is rock solid. Wait, let's make that thousands of nails. The base or sole plates for the walls are nailed to the subfloor next. Then each wall is assembled on the ground before it's lifted up onto the sole plates. And these diagonal braces keep everything square while we're getting the ceiling joist and wall sheathing in place. Then the roof rafters can start going up and the profile of the house really starts taking shape.